Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Rohan Bumbra and I am a professional musician based in Scotland. So what I wanted to do for this channel is to create a hub for drummers and musicians to come and learn new things. So this channel is based around drum lessons, but that's not the only thing that happens here. We've got things like drum covers, we've got studio lessons, we've got things that will help you in your musicianship, just general music chat, lots of great things. I release a 1-minute drum lesson every Wednesday and also a longer format video every Saturday. So if you're interested, just come join the channel, watch the videos, learn a few things hopefully, and if you're interested in more content, subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next few videos. Take care.